pressure, keep it.
We want them to do mistakes and learn from them. That's sometimes faster. Usually, it's not safe. But here, we have the environment to do everything in a safe way.
You have to be very fast in your reactions to control the car. But they give us the time here to learn that. It's a very good preparation, I think, for the upcoming races in the next month.
I think nailing the braking point at 249 km/h, that was pretty cool.
Very nice.